support with all other GoPro products, including cameras, accessories, and apps, press 4.
What's up, Kit family? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about the GoPro Hero 6 and is it finally working? I'll let you guys know everything about the GoPro Hero 6 since I bought it and where we are now with the GoPro Hero 6. So stay tuned to find out. If you guys don't know, I bought a GoPro Hero 6 for the channel about 2-3 months back. Everything was fine and dandy, except the audio sucks on these things big time. So I ended up buying a cage for it. I bought the external audio microphone adapter that you need to plug in a microphone to the GoPro 5 or 6, and everything was dandy, everything was working. And about a week or two later, the audio was not working anymore. I was getting the crappy internal audio from the GoPro Hero 6 and it was unacceptable. It's just terrible, unusable audio, especially if it's in a cage. If you just handheld the GoPro and you're not blocking the speakers, it might be okay. But if you want the protection and you want the microphone, no way. You guys need a cage, you guys need an adapter, and then it'll be working and you get fairly good audio. Okay, it is a bigger package, but it is a better quality video. So stopped working. GoPro sent me another new microphone adapter, plugged it in, checked what's going on, same problem. The microphone was not working. So if they send me a new adapter, how could it not be working? It must not be the adapter. So I sent the GoPro 6 back to them. Within a week or so, they sent me a new replacement, and bam, everything is working. The original mic adapter I had is working. The extra mic adapter I have from them is working. So it was never the mic adapter. It was something wrong with the GoPro Hero 6. So I called customer service. I'm gonna let you guys listen to the conversation right now. So, I'm calling regarding a camera I returned about a month ago because the audio wasn't working, the external microphone, and I have the reference number and everything, but I just wanted to see what was the issue with the camera, because just for the future I wanted to know what was broken. I was wondering if you can look that up with the reference number and see what was wrong with the camera.
Unfortunately, we don't have access to that information. I'm just checking on the notation and the recommendations made by the previous representative. So it's just that they have concluded that the issue was on the actual camera itself, but there's no details of what particular issue causing the external microphone not to work with your Hero 6 Black before.
Do you know if there's any other cameras coming out, GoPro 7 or anything?
I see. That's a great question, Greg. So right now we don't have actually information yet. If we will be coming out of a new model of the camera. But normally we always release it on the later part of the year,
okay,
as quarter of the year. So as of the moment, we don't have information to that yet. All
right. Well, thanks for chatting with us, and thanks for your help. I appreciate it. So we know it was something to do with the in-body camera. Either it was the port that was bad, either it was some kind of hard drive inside the GoPro 6 that went sour. We don't know exactly what it was, but I am glad I had the warranty. I'm glad I had the receipt, so they replaced it and it is currently working. In my opinion, there's no perfect camera. If you guys are searching for the perfect camera, let me know when you find it. The GoPro Hero 6 has its pros, but it also has its cons. Video quality in low lighting is terrible. Even though I use this GoPro 6 in this little studio I have right here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights, the quality was really bad. You need natural sunlight. You need to be outdoors when you're shooting with the GoPro 5, 6, or any GoPro because the lighting is terrible. The audio that's built into this is terrible. The pros of this camera is that it's small and has great internal digital stabilization. Okay, you can be running and it's gonna Photoshop that footage really good where it looks buttery smooth. Okay, so when you're just moving around and making all these movements, it is very good. So that was a pro. You heard the cons. You guys let me know if it's worth it to get a 6, or should you stay with a 4 that has one microphone, really good microphone audio, but then again it doesn't have that digital stabilization. So in conclusion, I'm still going to be using the GoPro Hero 6 since everything is working, and the compact size is really a bonus as well, especially for me when we're working around the cars. You can fit it anywhere you want. There are a lot of pros for what I'm using the camera for, and hopefully helps you guys decide whether you want a GoPro 6 or you want to go to a G7X camera or a DSLR mirrorless camera. That's going to be probably my next step in the future when this channel starts growing a little bit more. We're probably going to invest in a DSLR camera to get that high quality footage and audio you guys deserve. Bully Kid checking out, and see you on the next video.